Today, we will share about the everyone will respect when you apply 7 habits, a powerful Zen story. Let's start. In a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush greenery, there lived a wise old man named Master Koji. He was known throughout the region for his profound wisdom and the air of tranquility that surrounded him. People from far and wide sought his guidance to lead a life of purpose and respect. One day, a young man named Hiro approached Master Koji with a burning question. "Master, how can I earn the respect of those around me? I long to be admired and appreciated by others." Master Koji smiled gently and invited Hiro to sit beside him. "Respect, young one, is not something that can be demanded or forced. It is earned through the embodiment of certain habits and virtues. I will share with you 7 habits that, when embraced, will naturally garner the respect you seek." Hiro listened intently as Master Koji began to weave a powerful Zen story, each habit unfolding like the petals of a blooming flower. Habit 1: Humility. Master Koji started with the importance of humility. He spoke of a bamboo tree that, despite its towering height, bends gracefully in the wind. Like the bamboo, a humble heart allows you to adapt and grow. When you are humble, others will see your strength in simplicity and genuineness. Habit 2: Empathy. Next, Master Koji spoke of a river that flowed through the village. The river understands the rocks and pebbles along its path. Similarly, empathy is the bridge that connects you to the hearts of others. Understand their struggles, share in their joys, and you will find respect flowing towards you like a gentle stream. Habit 3: Integrity. The wise old man then shared the tale of a sturdy oak tree that withstood the test of time. Integrity, my dear Hiro, is the unwavering commitment to your values. Stand firm, even in the face of adversity, and your roots will run deep, earning the respect of all who witness your unyielding spirit. Habit 4: Gratitude. Master Koji gestured towards a field of blooming flowers. Just as the flowers express gratitude by turning towards the sun, cultivate gratitude in your heart. Acknowledge the warmth and light others bring into your life, and you will find that respect blossoms naturally. Habit 5: Generosity. The story unfolded to reveal a wise old bird that shared its food with others. Generosity is not measured by wealth but by the kindness of your actions. Share your blessings with others, be it time, knowledge, or compassion. In doing so, you will build a treasury of respect that multiplies over time. Habit 6: Authenticity. Master Koji's eyes twinkled as he spoke of a rare gem hidden in the heart of the mountains. Authenticity is the truest form of beauty. Be genuine, be yourself, and let your uniqueness shine. When you embrace your true self, others will see the sparkle in your soul and be drawn to it. Habit 7: Patience. Lastly, the wise old man recounted the tale of a bamboo shoot that took years to break through the soil. Patience is the key that unlocks the door to respect. Allow time for your virtues to be noticed, and trust that the seeds you plant today will grow into a forest of admiration tomorrow. As Master Koji concluded his tale, Hiro felt a newfound sense of purpose and clarity. Inspired by the wisdom of the 7 habits, he set out to integrate them into his daily life. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Hiro embraced humility, empathy, integrity, gratitude, generosity, authenticity, and patience with unwavering commitment. Slowly but steadily, the villagers began to notice the transformation in him. The once self-centered young man had become a pillar of strength and kindness. He listened empathetically to others, stood firm in his values, expressed gratitude openly, shared generously, remained true to himself, and exercised patience in every aspect of his life. In time, the respect Hiro sought became an effortless byproduct of his genuine and virtuous existence. The village, once indifferent to his presence, now admired him for the wisdom and compassion he radiated. Master Koji, observing Hiro's growth from a distance, nodded in approval. The young man had learned that respect was not a destination but a journey paved with habits that transformed not only how others perceived him but also how he perceived himself. And so, in the small village surrounded by hills and greenery, the powerful Zen story of Hiro unfolded, a story of transformation, respect earned through virtue, and the timeless wisdom that resonated through the habits embraced on the journey of life. Thanks for watching.